Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files and the USB drive. This step ensures the installer will boot in Uefi. First, make sure the target machine is set to Uefi and disable Legacy or CSM. Then, format an 8 GB or larger USB as FAT32 so Uefi can read it. NTFS often fails. Next, mount or extract the Windows 7 x64 ISO and confirm you have boot. WIM and install. WIM, these are needed for creating a proper Uefi boot structure. Once done, create the Uefi FAT32 USB using a tool like Rufus set to GPT for Uefi or manually with diskpart. If you use diskpart, create a single FAT32 partition and mark it active. Copy all extracted ISO files to the USB. Make sure the EFI folder and boot x64. EFI are present so firmware finds them. If install, WIM is larger than 4 GB. Split it into parts under 4 GB before copying so FAT32 can store it. This is crucial for success. You finish by safely ejecting and plugging the USB into the target PC, then open the boot menu and choose the Uefi USB entry. The installer should load boot, WIM and begin setup. If it fails, make sure the USB is FAT32 that EFI/boot/boot x64. EFI exists, and that secure boot is off for Windows 7. If install, WIM caused problems, verify you split it correctly or use an NTFS-based method with a Uefi NTFS driver as an alternative when FAT.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.